won't believe what happened to me the other day. So I'm in the shower just like any other day, and suddenly I feel this weird sensation in my nose. I'm thinking, okay, my allergy's acting up again, no big deal. But then, as I blow my nose, something crazy happens. After 26 years, a tiny Lego piece shot out of my nose. 26 years. Yep, this little guy had been stuck in there since I was a kid. And trust me, this isn't even the wildest part of the story. What happens next will blow your mind. If you want to know the full crazy story, check out the full video below.